Right boys, finally back with another video after 2 months. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded regularly. It's just, I've had nothing to upload. Like, everything costs money, you know what I mean? Like, I've done every kind of video I could with my own car at the moment. The only thing I could do now is like modifications basically. But yeah, I've finally bought something for my car, and it is a steering wheel cover. I bought it off a small company called Modify Nation. I found them on Instagram, and I had a look through the page, and the covers looked absolutely spot on. And I messaged them asking for like a price and stuff, and they were a lot cheaper than most other places like Fat Bits and stuff like that. So I just thought, why not give them a try? And the lad who runs it is absolutely spot on. So I thought, yeah, I might as well try it out. So I've got it here, and I'm going to unbox it for you. Right, so I've took it out the actual boxing, and nice little message saying thank you for your order. No problem at all, mind it. Yeah, trying up with the one hand. There you go. So you get in the box. This is double-sided sticky tape. The lad who like a soulmate, he gave me loads of advice and stuff, and I'll share it with you as the video goes on. So yeah, that's double-sided sticky tape, and I'll show you where you actually use that. And there's all the blue stitching to go with the blue on the exterior. Nice little tool to like push it in to get it nice and tucked in, make it look nice and smart. And here's a main bad boy, the actual cover. It's all wrapped up nicely in that, you know what I mean? You cannot fault it at all. I paid, this is usually £75 for this, but I paid £60 as they did I think it was, oh yeah, it was a £15 off sale the other week for like a bank holiday thing, which you can't fault at all, like, absolutely bargain really, isn't it? But there you go boys, that looks nice, that like. I think it'll look absolutely spot on once it's on. Look at that there, look at the quality. Cannot fault that at all. That looks absolutely spot on, that. I'll get back to you once I've stuck it round the wheel, and then we can have a look where we're going to go from there, because I'm probably not going to be the best at fitting it. But thankfully with the lad's advice, I might be alright. We'll soon find out, won't we? So there we go boys, that's it around the wheel at the moment. I obviously haven't sorted up yet, but I can tell that it's going to look absolutely spot on once it's done. Look at the quality of it. Like, it feels absolutely unreal. I'll obviously give it a brush and not get like these little bits of fluff out. But yeah, like that feels absolutely unreal. I can't wait to drive with it on. Do you know what I mean? It's just gonna look so good, it really is. Even the carbon fibre, like, look at that. Like, it just looks spot on. It really does. I'm gonna take this off. Like, I don't even know why I've left this on, but yeah, I'll be taking that off. But yeah, there you go, boys. I'll get back to you once I've got halfway through stitching up, in probably about 4 hours or something. But yeah. So there's the end result, boys. I am absolutely over the moon with this. It is absolutely spot on. You look at the quality of all that. It is, oh, it's fucking mint. It feels hellish as well. It really does feel good. If you haven't got one of these already, definitely go and get one, because for the price, like, look at how much that's transformed the interior. All of it, you know what I mean? Like, it just looks so much better. So yeah, if you haven't got one already, I'll leave a link to Modify Nation's Instagram in the description below, and you can definitely go and check it out, because I'd highly recommend getting one. Like I say, I got this for £60, but they're usually £75. I got £15 off with it being like a bank holiday sale. But it might do a sale again soon, you never know. But I'd definitely go and check it out. Even for £75, you can't beat it, can you? Look at the quality of all of it. It looks absolutely spot on. And all this. It's just lovely to touch. And it really complements all the other carbon bits I've got very nicely. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed watching, boys, and I'll catch you in the next one.